And I'm Candice.
And we are at the
Talavou village.
Kia ora my freshies, I'm down in Whangaroa, keeping it cool, down at the netball courts, and yeah, I'm gonna shoot some hoops.
Hi, my name's Samoa. You're at what's our piper when you're watching Fresh?
Hi, we are the Curtis family Cenos, and we're keeping it fresh.
You're watching Fresh.
Ua wiki ki mua e hoa, kāre awi paku kōrero Māori. I couldn't even speak Māori. I nei ka kōrero Māori anake.
Talavou, my name is Aloloheni Stansel, and today I will be doing a cultural refresh on the Nifo Oti from my 10 years experience in practicing siwa whaataupo.
I gave you mine. Yeah, see, I
Mang
gave you
at
mine.
college. Was it something to do with my dad?
Yeah.
We share the birthday. Okay.
It's the launch of the Matua Talavou project. We've made a short video documenting the journey of our project.
Keep it fresh!
I think I really enjoy it. If I be in the movie, be famous.
The project, in essence, is a collaboration between Toa Pacific, who is an elderly organisation based out in Otahuhu, and Village Collective based in South Auckland as well.
You want to come to the camera? The interview? Yeah? Yeah. And be famous.
There's a bit of a horror. Nah, I'm kidding. There is a bit of humour in it. There's some funny moments in it. Well, they feel like superstars, and they are. And it's so important for us to celebrate them and also to celebrate the young people. The whole idea is bridging together the age gaps, the older people and the younger people, bringing them together to talanoa, to talk about some of the issues we face in our community, but also just to hang out with each other, have cups of tea, laugh, sing songs, dance together. Intergenerational knowledge transfer is what's happening.
Who owns a smartphone, a touch screen phone? No? Great, that's what we're going to learn right now.
They have no filter. No filter at all. So you hear all the shades. They're not afraid to be themselves around us. They're just themselves. You know, like Matua's.
It makes us feel younger, and they're really good people to come and teach us how to work the iPad. We teach them how to dance. That's it.
You know, their jokes really help me to, connect with them a lot easier. Tidbits that they give, like especially when walking in front of somebody, you always say tulo or excuse me or something.
Like, them growing up and what it was like moving from, the islands here. It's not boring. Just letting you know, hanging out with old people isn't boring. They're amazing people, so if you have Matuas in your family, go sit with them, chill with them, have a tea with them, or even do TikToks with them. Okay. Wow.
Because ultimately, that's how our Pacific people learn best, and that's how we used to learn. It was all intergenerational. It was all older people passing stuff on to younger people.
We come here, we need to be healthy. We need to happy all the time. And friend with everyone, be company, be friend.
We are enjoy if we carry on with this program. It'll be really nice. Something we look forward.
We're trying to really encourage that model of education and learning where we go back to our roots and go back to our elders.
Keep it fresh.
Keep it fresh. Keep it fresh. Never mind.
Awesome, thank you.
Never mind, whatever.
Talavou, my name is Aloloheni Stancil, and today I will be doing a cultural refresh on the Nifo Oti from my 10 years experience in practicing siva whaataupo. The origins of the Nifo Oti can be traced back to the 19th century when European whalers and entrepreneurs settled on our islands. And this came with the introduction of the steel blubber knife and cane knife, which ultimately inspired the invention of the Nifo Oti. On one side, there is a serrated edge with a hook, and on the other is a smooth-edged blade. So the meaning of the Nifo Oti has been a topic of debate for quite some time. It can be misconstrued to mean tooth of death. However, the Nifo Oti is actually attributed to the goat's horn, as goats were introduced at the same time as blades were in Samoa. More often than not, you will see a taupo enter her tawalunga with a Nifo Oti. And this can go one of two ways. Some will enter and immediately place the Nifo Oti on the ground. Some will attempt to spin the knife and emanate that of the warriors who use this as a weapon. The technique used when spinning the Nifo Oti is a full 360 circular motion, and there are differences between sivafi spinning and siva whaataupo spinning. So with sivafi, it is a lot more fast-paced. With siva taupo, it is a lot more slower paced. However, I believe it still has the same effect. So the basic spin is a 360 circular motion, but there are different variations of that. You can throw it in the back, you can throw it with one hand, you can throw it under your leg, you can throw it over your neck. I absolutely think that the Nifo Oti holds mana. The Nifo Oti itself is deeply rooted in sacrifice and service. And I believe these values are channeled through the Nifo Oti when you spin it. And I can say that for myself, when I spin the Nifo Oti, I can feel the struggle of my ancestors, and I can also feel the triumph. And that's what the tawalunga and the addition of the Nifo Oti is all about.
Welcome back to another episode of How Fresh Are You? Today we find out who will be joining Mount Albert Grammar in the grand final.
So now you can say ka kite to those nasty plugins and Control Shift A.
Body, join the flow.
Hello, you're watching Fresh TV and we're here in Suva City.
Hola, this is Fresh. Welcome back to another episode of How Fresh Are You? Today we find out who will be joining Mount Albert Grammar in the grand final. On my left, representing Marcelin College, we have Valve and Scholastica. And on my right, representing the baddest, Mangere College. Give it up for Mara and Romeo. All right, our first game is Rapid Fire. The team to answer the most questions will win the round. Are we ready?
Yeah!
Let's go. First question. The famous Māori leader, Sir Apirana Ngata, is on which New Zealand dollar bill? Marcelin.
The $50 bill?
Oh, well done.
Oh,
Woo, someone's seen some 50s.
I saw it this morning.
Okay, they seem excited. They're on the board now. Who was the first Kiwi to fight in the UFC? Marcelin.
My dad.
And his name is... No, I will not accept my dad. You have one more chance.
Hunt.
Mark Hunt is correct!
I gave you mine. Yeah, see, I gave you mine.
Mangere College.
I gave you
Was it
mine.
something to do with the my dad?
Yeah.
We share the birthday.
Okay. Oh, they have the same dad. Wow. All right, our next question. In the legend of Sina and the tuna, who kills the tuna? Mangere College.
Sina's the village chiefs and Sina's brothers.
Wow, Mangere College. Hey? Which island does this flag belong to? Mangere College.
Hawaii.
Well done, Romeo. It is Hawaii. Mangere College with another point. Our winners for this round, rapid fire, is Mangere College. Marcelin, you still have a chance, but you have to win this next game, which is Dictionary. First up is Valve from Marcelin College. You have 1 minute to do this, and your minute started 50 seconds ago. Here we go.
Oh, whale.
Well done, that's one.
Tennis ball. Basketball. Basketball hoop. Netball.
Well done, that's two.
Banana.
Oh, well done. She got that one pretty fast. Oh, she's gonna need a bit of...
First.
Yeah, it is.
Moana. Maui.
Well done. She's got that one. Last one, you got 10 seconds.
Not my fault.
Time's up! Yeah, I even gave you an extra 2 seconds on that one. Give it up for Marcelin College. Well done. All right, a patu or a mere is a mouldy weapon. All right, the score for you girls is 4 out of 5. Well done. Okay, Mara, you need all 5 to win this round. Your 1 minute starts now.
A carrot. A man. A boy. Pineapple.
Very good, that's one.
Lord.
Took you 10 years.
It's a potato. No. Oh, yeah. Rugby.
Very good, well done. Moving on. Draw, 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 draw.
A table. A cow. A dog. A donkey. A horse.
Very good. 10 seconds to go.
Okay, bro.
Can she do it?
It's a fish. A whale. A dolphin. A shark. It's a fish. What kind of fish?
It's a tuna.
All right, let's give a big hand to Mangere College. Wonderful effort, wonderful effort. Okay, our scores so far for this round. 3 out of 5 for Mangere College, 4 out of 5 for Marcelin. Marcelin, take our dictionary. We are off to a tiebreaker, which means it's time for Blaze the Face.
Blaze the Face.
Ultimate tiebreaker. We show you a face. First team to tell us who it is wins and goes through to the grand final to face Mount Albert Grammar. Mangere College, are you ready?
Yes.
Marcelin College, are you ready?
Yes.
Have a look at this face.
Oh,
Marcelin College.
is it just 685?
What is giving it away? Is that cute little goatee there?
No, it's
Is it those sunglasses? What is it?
Yeah, it's the jaw structure and the
jaw
glasses
structure.
behind
She follows
the
him
glasses.
on Instagram. Let's have a reveal. Just 685. There we have it. Marcelin College take out the semi-finals. They will face Mount Albert Grammar in the grand final. Well done to Mangere College. Mara, it's all right. It's all right.
I want to go home.
It's okay. But we do have a couple of consolation prizes for you. Some $50 Blue Rose vouchers. Okay, it's a cafe on Sandringham. Make sure you go straight there after this. Give them a big hand. Well done, that is us for today. Masterland College will face Mount Albert Grammar in our grand final of
How Fresh Are You?
Our keyboard technicians have worked tirelessly crafting and creating each and every key to help create ease of typing.
My name is Leighton Fairley and I'm young, gifted and brown.
I look into the sky.
My name is Munube. Hello, the Wild Boy. You're watching Fresh.
Are you sick and tired of your colonized keyboard letting you down?
This is ridiculous.
Are those emails to your auntie taking longer than they should?
Where are the macrons?
Well, no longer. Introducing Keyboard. Keyboard is the first ever macron-inclusive, culturally sensitive, non-oppressed, very impressive, highly pressable keyboard. Our keyboard technicians have worked tirelessly crafting and creating each and every key to help create ease of typing. Keyboard gives you your time back to do the things you love. So now you can say ka kite to those nasty plugins and Control-Shift-A. It's that easy. Keyboard. Our keyboard comes with R, E, or U keys. Think it stops there? Think again. With your keyboard, you also get your very own F, and Te keys. It also comes with Que, Kua, K, and Ki keys. It gets better. The Keyboard is the first ever environmentally sustainable keyboard made from 15.5 plastic bottles and 1 car tire.
Oh, the keyboard is flash, man. It's macron inclusive, K, Kua, Ka.
Rua wiki ki mua e hoa, kāre awi paku kōrero Māori. I couldn't even speak Māori. I nei ka kōrero Māori anake.
Yeah, the keys, so soft, easy on my fingers. And you know, I just know that my fingers are in good hands.
Now everyone's using ngā mihi at the end of their emails.
Yeah, I email my Māori friends all the time now.
Ngā mihi.
They love it.
But wait, there's more! Order now and we'll upgrade you to our wireless keyboard complete with neck strap. It doesn't stop there. The Level 2 keyboard package comes with its very own karakia on the back.
Whakataka te hau ki te uru.
Order now, buy tahi, get rua. And we'll throw in our new font, Times New Māori.
I love it.
I love it. I love it.
I love it.
I love it too.
Karawe.
Change your life today with Keyboard.
Kia ora freshies, my name is Leighton Fairley and I'm young, gifted and brown.
Look into the sky. Said I'm watching the birds fly by.
How would I describe my music? There's a lot of dub influence going in there with a bit of electronica. I really enjoy my drum and bass and my Kiwi roots music. Growing up listening to bands like Fat Freddy's Drop, The Black Seeds, Salmonella Dub. So I would say my music has kind of followed that movement, and that's the style that resonates with me and the style of music that comes out when I write. I've always been in touch with my roots and my culture. Originally came from the East Coast, way up in Ruatoria, to my family, and so I think a part of the music that I write and compose caters for Māori and Pacifica, that we're all lovers of reggae, and my music definitely has that reggae backbone feel through it. I just done a show over the weekend back my hometown, Mount Maunganui, and that was supporting Anna Coddington. And then I done a festival over in Great Barrier Island, which was Wingman Festival. That was an epic festival set in an amazing little area of the island. And before that, I was at Sound Splash in Raglan with the full band. So it's been an epic summer. We're down in the sunny, windy Christchurch. Did you have a couple of clients, or?
Yeah, one this morning and one this afternoon.
So we were living in Red Beach in Orewa, North Auckland. We were living there for 7 years, and we decided to come down to Christchurch to be closer to my daughter, Isla Lou. We're going to show you guys what we've been working on. The Ollie. She's 8 years old and she just lives around the corner. Yeah, we're stoked. Bend your knees. Oh yeah. Follow me out into our epic outdoor area. Moving down here and being in this kind of generic brand new home has also been a challenge in itself. Living up in Auckland at Red Beach, we were looking out to the beach, but here we've stepped it up a little bit. We definitely need some more furniture and some more artwork to create a bit of a vibe. Can't talk too loud, we've got neighbours next door. Probably can't strum the guitar too hard. Probably forget about that.
I just realized that it was 6 a.m. on the dot. Walk with me, you know we got the time. Talk to me, we're gonna cross the line, yeah.
To be honest, the jam that we just had is the first little jam that I've had with Isla. She's always been into music. She's always stoked. She's been to a few shows with me and she's always enjoyed watching Soundcheck. But to have her have a little jam with me like we did, it's a pretty good feeling, man. Like new little rock star in the making.
I said, walk with me.
You. Yeah. Nice drumming, Matt. We'll keep you on.
That's all the time we have today, Fresh Fams.
Tune in for next week. Nō reira, ka kite anō.
Bye. I'm sorry. You're watching Fresh TV.
I'd always been interested in beauty. I grew up watching Pepsi charts and I just loved the makeup and, you know, your 90s R&B, hip-hop.
Everybody thinking that I was just going to grow up and be just another fat kid on the couch. Blow your kisses and not your opportunities.
Name the animated series about 5 young teens living in the big city. Mount Albert Grammar.
I don't know why I pressed the buzzer, sorry.